Hey there, YouTubers. Welcome back to the channel. Ever spent hours crafting the perfect thumbnail for your video only to feel frustrated? Well, say goodbye to that headache. Today, I'm introducing you to an AI tool that'll revolutionize your thumbnail game. Imagine creating eye-catching thumbnails in seconds. Sounds too good to be true, right? But it's not. I'm about to show you an AI tool that generates stunning thumbnails from simple prompts. Let's dive in. First, head over to this amazing website. If you're a regular viewer, you've probably heard me rave about it before. Check out my previous videos for more info. New users, make sure to sign up. Now, here's the magic. In the search bar, type free YouTube thumbnail. Look for Removie. That's our golden ticket. Don't worry, I've dropped the link in the description for easy access. Here's how it works. Input your video title and subtitle. Then, add your text prompt. Be creative. Hit that Run This Glyph button and watch the AI work its magic. Not satisfied? No problem. Keep clicking for more options until you find your perfect match. Once you've got your ideal thumbnail, simply download it. Boom! You're done. That's all for today, folks. If this hack saves you time, smash that like button, drop a comment, and don't forget to subscribe for more game-changing tips. See you in the next one.